Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to draw Taylor Swift. So I'm just going to show you my process in drawing faces. A single face. I'm starting drawing these guidelines. I made it my own, and I'm doing this kind of circle thing. This is the gap between the eye, and you're going to make another circle the same size on the gap that you made in front of the camera. So I don't really have much to say. So as you can see, this is the guidelines for the eye. So this is the left and the right eye, and this is the gap between them. After that, you're going to draw this straight line and another circle with the same size and the gap, and then you're going to make a horizontal line which represent the nose, and you're going to make another line between it. The next thing you're going to do is make this line which represent the how wide your nose is, and then you can start doing those objects. As for me, I'm always starting drawing these eyes, and you're just going to copy what you see on your reference of Taylor Swift's eye. She's a very beautiful girl. And then the next side. Yeah, so that's the outline of the eye. And this eyelid, and another eyelid. So after that, you're going to draw the nose, the outline of the nose. So from what I see, it looks like this. That's Taylor Swift's nose. I'm going to draw these. So you're just going to erase these lines because it looks so messy. So this is the start of the face. At first it might not look good, but as long as you keep drawing, you will see the difference that you're making step by step. So after you made that, the nose and the eye, you're going to the eyeball and make sure that you draw the right size and the So yeah, after I finish that, I'm drawing the nose shadow. I don't know what it's called, but as you can see here, it's what it looks like. And then the eyebrow. Okay, after that, I'm going on to the lips, which is really depending on how you draw them. Which really depends on how you draw them and how you measure them. As for me, I'm just going to draw the guideline. I'm looking at the reference first, then I'm going to draw it. There's a lot of times it looks weird, but I'm seeing my mistakes, I'm being able to correct it because it's just a freehand drawing. See that? So the first mistake I made was it's way too high, and we need to erase it. This is funny, I don't know why, but look at her, she don't have a nose. So when you removed it, you make it perfect. I think it's not the nose, I think it's the lips. It's too bold. Okay, so that's just the beginning. And then we're going to draw the chin. As for the chin, you're just going to make this same circle, same size. and I'm going to put it on the chin. I think it's not the same size because you're still going to depend on the reference. You're always going to depend on your reference. As you can see here, the gap, what's it called? The size, what? I'm sorry, but whatever it is, we're going to make it, you can make an imaginary circle here and then draw that here in the middle of that circle, that imaginary circle. Then we're going to make that face shape. After we made that, and then you're going to realize it's not accurate. We're going to make it wide a little. Have the opportunity to make it perfect. I mean, not the opportunity. I mean, a chance. You always have a chance to make this look cool for the sake of Taylor Swift. I really love Taylor Swift. She's a very good singer. I mean, there's no argument in that. She really is a very good singer. It's a shame if I can't draw her, or we can't draw her. So if you're just going to follow me, you can make it. So this is the outline of the face. It shouldn't, I mean, it might not look like her yet, but there's no details in it. It's just the outline. So there's no worry because you can really adjust everything here and you can make whatever you want. So that's it. We're done with the outline. The next thing we're going to do is those details, which is the hardest thing, specifically the hair. It's really hard. So we're going to add an imaginary hairline here, and yeah, it's not really imaginary. We're going to draw it anyway. That's it. Then after that, we're going to draw these details of the hair. I don't know if it really looks like that, but whatever. You can make it. Okay? Just follow me. So this is where your own style comes in. Might not really look like her. Now let's go draw these bangs. Okay, so this is kind of curly. This is really Taylor Swift's hair, originally her hairstyle. That's this. I might sound boring. Actually, I want to tell you, I'm really nervous talking. I'm really being careful in my words. So let's just hope it doesn't affect our drawing. So let's make it faster. Okay, that's the overall outline. We're good to go to add the details. So this is really looking like her. We're really into it. If you didn't see the hairline, I'm sorry. Just zoom it out a little. I've been drawing all those without you seeing. What a shame. I'm so sorry. So that's everything on the outline. We're going to move to our next goal. Yeah. Goal. So we're going to add details now. This should be taken more seriously. This is way too different on how you handle those sidelines. So by the way, this style, it's my own style. I don't know if it's my own style. I might have some similarities in other art style, but this really is a lot of things here. I kind of invented it. I have some references, but I didn't copy it. I just took some ideas. My guideline here, I didn't find it on some artist, and well, we need to make it look like Taylor Swift, so we're going to copy those shadows. Okay, so we're kind of finished. Okay, so this is my kind of finished product of my art style. So I usually make more effort, but I think now I'm a little nervous. That's why I can't really give my everything. I try my best next time, and I hope you like it. And I want to show an example of me drawing off cam. So this one is Aaron from Attack on Titan. I kind of draw it. I wish I recorded it at least, even if it's time lapse. But see the difference when I'm drawing on cam and off cam. So that's what I'm going to improve. And just stay with me until I improve, until I enhance the clip. So I think that's it for this video. I will see you on my next video. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.